Make salmon nigiri. Salmon nigiri is a type of sushi made by layering raw salmon on a small roll of rice. It is delicious, and one of the easiest types of sushi to make. Unlike other types of sushi, it does not need a seaweed wrap. Here's how to make salmon nigiri. Just follow the steps listed below. Step 1: Ingredients and supplies. Sushi rice, 1 salmon fillet, fresh wasabi pot with lid, cup of water, knife. Step 2: Cut the salmon. Slice the salmon fillet diagonally into 2-inch long pieces about 1/4 inch thick. The thinner you slice the salmon, the thinner the pieces on the nigiri will be. Step 3: Cook the sushi rice. Cook the sushi rice according to the instructions on the package. Do not use regular rice, because it is not sticky enough to hold together for making sushi. If you use regular rice, the sushi you make will fall apart. Sushi rice is sticky enough to hold together when you form the nigiri. Step 4: Form the rice balls. First, dip your fingers into water. This will keep the rice from sticking to them. Then scoop up a small amount of rice, about 3/4 the size of your palm. Then roll and squeeze it together until it forms a firm log. The bottom should be flat, while the tops and sides can be rounded. Each rice ball should be large enough to fit 1 slice of the salmon fillet on top. Step 5: Add wasabi. First, place a small dab of wasabi on one side of the fish slice. Remember that wasabi is hot, so do not use too much of it. Still, you do need enough to make the fish stick to the rice, because the wasabi acts like glue. A pea-sized portion of wasabi should suffice. Step 6: Assemble the nigiri. Now, place the fish on the rice log, with the wasabi side facing the rice. Press the fish downwards over the rice, so that both the fish and the rice become rounded. Hold the rice in one hand while pressing down on the salmon with your other hand, or the rice will become misshaped. Step 7: Serve. Nigiri is always served in pairs to symbolize peace and harmony. It is often served with other types of sushi, but it can be served as an appetizer or side dish with a non-sushi main course. Serve with wasabi and possibly soy sauce on the side. This sushi favorite is easy to make, and does not include a lot of fancy ingredients. All you need is rice, salmon, and a little wasabi. If your children like sushi, you can even involve them in the preparation of their own salmon nigiri, yet it is also fancy and exotic enough for a dinner party.